Welcome back for Phonics time on this marvelous Friday. Today, we are going to be talking about two words that we've already heard in some of our lessons. And those two words are same and different. Today, we are going to be talking about these two words and what they mean. What does it mean when something is the same? What does it mean when something is different? So we've been talking a lot about our favorite colors this week. And I know that I have some friends who like the same color as I do. My favorite color is purple. And I have a couple friends in our class who also love the color purple. Their favorite color is also purple. So that means if I like the color purple and you like the color purple, we both have the same favorite color, which is purple. And you don't have to like purple, and that's okay, because that just means that we have different favorite colors. My favorite color is purple, and maybe your favorite color is red, and that's okay. But our favorite colors are different. They are not the same. So let's take a little closer look at same and different. Same and different. Let's start with same. Things are the same when they are just alike. Things can be the same in different ways. There are 4 ways that we'll talk about that things can be the same. Things can be the same color. The same color. These 2 things are the same color. These are the same color. These are the same color. They both were the same because they were both the same color. What are other ways that things can be the same? So we had things that were the same color. Both of these are red. Both of these are blue. Both of these are green. They are the same colors. Another way that things can be the same, though, is by their shape. Both of these things are squares. They are the same shape, square. These are the same shape. They are both circles. They are the same shape. These are both triangles. They are the same shape because they are both triangles. Let's look at another one. We had same color, same shape. Another thing is the same size. These 2 things are the same size. They are both small. These 2 things are the same size. They are both big. These 2 things are the same size. They are both medium-sized. These things are all the same size of each other. Small, big, and medium. The last way that we'll talk about that things can be the same is by their weight. And remember, we talked about how hard it is to pick up something. It means it's really heavy. And how easy it is to pick something up. And that means that it's light. So things can be the same weight. Like a feather and a mini marshmallow. They are both the same weight. They are light. Another thing that can be the same weight is these 2 things, an elephant and a giraffe. They are both very heavy, so they are the same weight. So one more time, let's take a look and read about the ways that things can be the same. Look alike, be the same. We can be the same color, like red and red. We can be the same shape, like heart and heart. We can be the same size, like small and small. And we can be the same weight, heavy and heavy. These things are both the same because they are the same color. These things are the same because they are the same shape. These things are the same because they are the same size. And these are the same because they are both the same weight. Great job talking about how things are the same. The other thing we're going to talk about, get out of here, same, is different. What does it mean to be different? It's the opposite or different than the same. That means that our things will not look alike. But we still have the 4 ways to look at if they are different. The first one is color. These 2 things are not the same. They are different because if I'm looking at their color, one is purple and one is green. These objects are different. They are not the same because one is blue and one is yellow. Those colors are different. They are not the same. These objects are different because they are not the same color. One is brown and one is black. Those colors are different, which means they are different. The other way that we can look at differences is by the shape. Things that are not the same, right? They don't look alike. So let's look at different shapes of objects. These objects are not the same. They are different because one is a square and one is a triangle. Square and triangle are not the same shape. These objects are different because one is a circle and one is a star. Circle and star are not the same shape. And these objects are not the same because one is a diamond and one is a rectangle. Diamond and rectangle are not the same shape. So these have different shapes. The next one we'll talk about is size and things being different sizes. Let's look at these objects that are not the same. They're different because of their sizes. These objects are different because this one is small and that one is big. Let's look at another one. These objects are different because that one is big and that one is small. These things are different sizes. Small and big are not the same. Big and small are not the same. They are different sizes, so these objects are different. The last way something can be different is by its weight, or how easy or hard it is to pick something up. So the first one that is different is this, a feather and an elephant. These are very different because a feather is so easy to pick up. And I could never pick up an elephant because they are too heavy. So these 2 things are different. They're not the same because one is light and one is heavy. These objects are not the same. They are different because I see this one right here is heavy and this one right here is light. This image would be very hard to pick up. There is no way I could pick up a whole house. Are you crazy? A house is way heavy. Where over here, a marshmallow, that's very easy to pick up and put in my mouth to eat. So these two things are different because a house is heavy, a marshmallow is light. They are different weights. So we talked a lot about ways that are, or things that are the same and things that are different. So really quick, I'm going to throw them up here just so we can remember. Things that are the same look alike. They can look alike with their color, their shape, their size, or their weight. Things that are different don't look alike. There is something different about them. They can be different in their color, their shape, their size, or their weight. So remember, things that are the same look alike. Things that are different don't look alike. Very good. So to finish us off today, I want to just review a book that we have read already. And this book is called We're Different, We're the Same. And this is going to kind of help us look at things that are the same, look alike, and things that are different, that don't look alike. So here they said all of their noses are different, right? All of these noses are different colors, shapes, and sizes. They are different. None of them look alike. They all don't look alike. But I know that we are the same because we all have a nose. So since I can see a nose on everyone's face, those are the same. Oops. Our hair is different. Our hair does not all look the same. That would be a very boring world if we all had the same hair color and hairstyle. And when I look at these different pictures, none of these haircuts are all the same. They're different colors, different shapes, and different sizes. But what is the same is that all of us do have hair. So we are the same because our hair might be different colors, shapes, and sizes, but we're the same because we do all have hair on our heads. Mouths are different. Looking at these mouths, they are all different colors, shapes, and sizes. But we're all the same because we all have a mouth to laugh and eat with. Our skin is different. All of our skins are all different colors, which makes us all very special and unique. And no one's skin color is going to be exactly the same. And that's okay, because if we were all the same color, how boring would that be? I love seeing a class full of colors. Colors on the wall, colors in our hair, and colors on our skin. It is what makes us special and unique. But we all have skin, and we all have bodies, and that's how we are the same. Because if we didn't have skin, all of our bones would just be falling everywhere. Our eyes are different. Our eyes are different colors, shapes, and sizes, just like the eyes we see here. But we're the same because we all have eyes on our face. They're different because they're different colors, shapes, and sizes, but we're the same because when I look at you and you look at me, we all have eyes. Our bodies are different. Some of us are tall, some of us are short, but all of our bodies, are different colors, shapes, and sizes. But we're lucky because we are the same in that we all have a body. So thank you so much for looking through that picture book again to help remind us about how we are the same in different ways or look alike in our color, shapes, sizes, and weights, and ways that we look different, not the same, not alike, because our skin, hair, eyes, mouths are all different colors, shapes, sizes. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to talk about this with you more later.